guys, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay. And what's Holly drinking today? Well, what I'm drinking today is sort of an interesting concoction. It's Lillet and vodka and some fresh basil, and it's very fresh and summery and yummy, and we're gonna call it a Lillet Basil Breeze. So, how we're gonna start with, I took a glass and I rimmed it with sugar and salt, okay? Just a combination, half and half sugar and salt, and filled it with crushed ice, okay? Then we're gonna take some fresh basil, pop it in our shaker, add a little bit of simple syrup, just to give it a little something to get it going. And we'll give it a muddle, just to release all that yummy basil flavor and all the essential oils and all that good stuff in there, okay? Then we'll add a little bit of fresh lime juice. Then let's go ahead and add our Lillet. Now Lillet's kind of a fun, I guess it's like a French wine aperitif. It's a little bit sweet. It's about 18%, 17% alcohol, so just like a strong wine. And it's real good all by itself over like ice with a twist, maybe some soda. But we're gonna do it in a cocktail, which is just adds a really light orangey winey flavor. But like I said, give it a go. It's very refreshing in the summertime. Then we'll use our Trust Me vodka. We'll have one part of that. Then let's go ahead and throw a little bit of ice in here. We don't need a ton because we're going to put it over crushed ice. So, okay, let's give it a go. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead. There we are. And use this strainer. Give it a strain. That looks refreshing. I can smell the basil from here. Okay. And don't forget the sugar salt step. It really makes a difference. So we'll garnish it with a little guy of fresh basil so you know that there's some of that in what you're drinking. Let's give it a taste. It's very nice. It's very light, and the Lillet is just a nice, just kind of don't even know what that flavor is in there. A light orangey flavor. Give that one a try. It's nice and refreshing for summertime. It's easy breezy.